Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn flute music. First, focus on establishing correct posture and hand position. This foundational step is crucial for producing a clear tone and developing good technique. Next, familiarize yourself with basic music theory. Understanding notes, rhythms, and scales will provide the building blocks for reading and interpreting sheet music. Consistent daily practice, even for short periods, is key to building muscle memory and improving your skills over time. Once you have the basics down, dive into reading musical notation. Understanding clefs, key signatures, and time signatures will unlock a vast repertoire of music. Simultaneously, work on your breath control and embouchure. These elements are vital for producing a beautiful, resonant flute sound. Dedicate time to practicing fingerings for every note, striving for smooth and accurate transitions. This will enhance your fluidity and overall playing ability. To make your practice sessions more effective, break down challenging pieces into smaller, manageable sections. Focus on mastering each part before combining them. Incorporate a metronome into your routine to develop a strong sense of rhythm and maintain a consistent tempo. Don't be afraid to explore different musical styles, from classical to contemporary. This will not only broaden your repertoire, but also enhance your versatility as a flutist. For continued growth, record yourself playing and listen back critically. This self-assessment can reveal subtle nuances and areas where you can improve. Consider seeking guidance from an experienced flutist or a qualified instructor. Their insights can be invaluable. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Keep practicing consistently and enjoy your musical journey with the flute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.